Good day to everyone. I present to your attention the work of a plugin Word. The plugin will allow you to export to Microsoft Word the specifications you have selected. So we launch the Word plugin. In the window that opens, first of all, we need to select the folder where we need to upload. Let there be a desktop. Next, we choose the format. Let it be A3, horizontal. And here we need to choose those specifications, making a set of them, which you would like to upload to Word. Let there be some random specifications. I have selected them, and in order not to make this set again, I can save it. I will enter a set for uploading to Word, save, and I have it staying here. If I close the plugin, run the plugin again, then I have it here. I select it and I have all specifications displayed here. After that, I click on the export button, wait for the plugin to work out, and upload all the specifications we have selected in Word. Next, open the folder and here we have a Word document. In it we see the uploaded information on all our specifications that we have selected. Thus, with the help of this plugin, you will be able to quickly and easily upload the specifications you have selected to Microsoft Word. That's it. Thank you everyone. Subscribe to the channel, put likes. In the description of the video you can find a link to download plugin with a free trial version in 2 weeks. All bye.